Hi, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tanvir Ahmed, but you can call me Shejan. First of all, I'm grateful to all the teachers and students for providing me with this platform once more to say something about my words. Today, I want to say something about my comfort zone. Actually, comfort zone. So, first of all, we must understand why your comfort zone is a danger zone. So, honorable judge and fellow aspirants, we all seek comfort. We want easy lives, easy goals, and easy paths. But today, I stay here to argue that comfort is a beautiful place, but not ever grows there. Again, I repeat that today I stand here to comfort is a beautiful place, but not ever stay grows there. So, first of all, comfort is a very beautiful place. We everyone want comfort place. So first of all, you think about a diamond. You think about a diamond. Diamond is a very simply a costable thing, but it handles extreme pressure. If you want, you can think about a muscle. Muscle is a mass when it only grows when it is precious and energetic. So first of all, and we need an energetic in everything. So in this level 4 competition, we are surrounded by formidable speakers. We are surrounded by formidable speakers, and it is easy to feel in stay quiet and sustainable. So that is the trap of stay comfort. And again, I repeat that is the trap of stay comfort. First of all, my challenge to you is very simple. If never try and seek an easy life, always trying to be very sick and uncountable in your life. So maximum people hide their failure, but I believe that failure is the not opposite of success. It's a vital part of it. And always I am thinking that when the person who has failed and gotten back up is much stronger than the person who has never tired. And always I'm thinking that when you failure day by day, it's not a big deal actually for you. You're trying your best in this journey. Inshallah, one day we will be success one day. So first of all, we say that in our camp at English Fantasy, I say learning about English is very thing. Right now, I can speak in English properly. So English Fantasy environment is very good. Environment taken is very seriously. So if anyone can break the rules in at English Fantasy, he must pay a fine. Even our canteen food is very good. Overall, environment and English Fantasy overall is perfect. And the most thing is when you think about a failure, when you think about a cost of comfort, we always try to comfort is a we always trying to think that comfort is a beautiful case and the failure is the key of sets you free. So we try that, always trying to be more and more. We are failed every day, but never give up. Thank you so much.